What is the only cryptocurrency that you should invest?
Dogecoin!
It's the people's currency, you know it's the best.
Please buy!
The most fun and ironic crypto, that is for sure.
So crypto!
We're taking Dogecoin to the moon.
To the moon!
And if a broker says, listen, you can't get rich with Dogecoin, say stonks. But even Daddy Elon knows it's the time to join.
Much fun!
Cause
Fate loves irony.
therefore we're passing Bitcoin soon.
Elon Gene Snoop!
Take this little puppy to the moon. Hold it, hold it, hold it, hold it, never sell.
Much rich!
Buy more, buy more, buy more, buy more, it's doing well.
Such high!
Hold it, hold it, hold it, hold it, never sell.
Much value!
Rising, 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 I can tell.
Very trading!
Shut up and take my money. This meme coin is looking funny. Let's write history together. In Doge we trust.
Much trust!
Jump on the hype train, bros. Cause even Snoop Doge knows it's going up. Don't drop it when it's hot. Doge is the only cryptocurrency that you should invest.
Dogecoin!
It's the people's currency, you know it's the best.
Please buy!
The most fun and ironic crypto, that is for sure.
So crypto!
We're taking Dogecoin to the moon. Dogecoin to the moon. Dogecoin to the moon. Dogecoin to the moon. Dogecoin to the moon.
And beyond!
All right, welcome back to another episode of Dream Tank TV and Reinhardt and Warrior Madness. All right, legit. We're having connection issues. Hopefully, we stabilize. It should be fine soon. So it's all good. Just bear with us. Everything is all good. So we got to do 2 edits, and then we'll see if anybody's saying anything. Yo, what up? The most hated, yo, long time no see, bro. Yo, shout out to you, brother. Hope you're doing good. The most hated. Yeah, I think I know who that is. What up, man? Aren't you from Tiny Chat? Yeah, I think so.
Yes, that is.
Yeah, I remember him. I think so. If it's the right guy, yeah, I remember him. That's all good. Sorry, we're slightly lagging. Well, we're green now, so it's all good. No, it's me, bro. Manolo 2000. Okay, well, yeah, it's been a while. You must have changed your name. Okay, Manny. Manolo 2000. Yo, it's been a while. So if I don't remember it, then it must have been a while. It's all good, brother. It's all good. Ain't no worries. Ain't no worries. We're gonna see Dogecoin is trying to push up, and we're probably gonna do some games, but we're dropping frame. But we'll see what happens. We'll see what happens. See if it stabilizes. I just gotta do 2 edits, and then we're gonna see what's up. Yo, I hope you're doing good. The most hated. Let's see. We was in Tiny Chat. Okay, so are you the guy that ran the room with the girls? I mean, there was every room had girls and stuff. Are you the guy most hated? Are you the guy that ran the room most hated? And then like all the other little part sections of the rooms, other rooms, I mean. Yeah, but sorry, I don't know why we're lagging. We're like, yo, we're dropping frames like crazy. Let me see if it's bad. I'm gonna see if it's bad. I don't know. It goes green and it goes red. I don't know. Maybe it's the settings that I put. Let me see how I can hear myself. Actually, no. It's actually in real time. To be honest, it's maybe like from me to you is probably like maybe 3 to 4 seconds delay. No, but we good. Nah, okay with that Dominican fat guy. Nah, okay with that Dominican fat guy. Who was the Dominican fat guy? I forgot the name. Who? You talking about that room that they're from New York, right? They're from New York? It's like the bodega. You talking about the bodega? I know it's gonna get to you in like a second. But no worries. Oh, the bodega. Okay, so he was from the bodega. It's been a while, man. Like it's been like 4-5 years, I think.
Yeah, we don't go.
Yeah, we haven't been there almost like 4 to 5 years.
We don't
Oh, not the bodega. Okay, not the bodega. Okay, so it was the people that from New York. They ran the room. There was a lot of people that was from New York running a lot of rooms. It's all good though. It's all good. It's all good. Also, we're streaming on Twitch, YouTube, and X.com. All under Dream Tank CB. For some odd reason, if we drop here on Twitch, the connection is good on YouTube, just so you know. And we're upload daily on YouTube side as well. Yeah, we're gonna jump into a couple of games and see how we do. Yeah, we're gonna switch it over to Overwatch. Yo, I hope you're doing good though. I switched out like the stuff in the chat and everything, so we'll see how that works. Let's see. They held the one freaky blonde chick. They had that one freaky blonde chick. Same to you, man. One freaky blonde chick. I have no idea. One freaky. I have no idea. Yeah, I don't know. I don't know, brother. I don't know. I have no idea. But ever since then, Tiny Chat, I met my wife, and we've been together for almost 3 years now. So it's been pretty badass. No, I'm saying ever since like Tiny Chat, I met you, and we've been like you, my wife, and we've been together for like 3 years.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, from Tiny Chat, it's pretty good. Yeah. So also we're still investors, so that's still pretty good. I say, nice, congrats, you appreciate it, brother, appreciate it, hell yeah, appreciate it. That's legit. I'm trying to bring the game up. Okay, there we go. Hopefully we don't get oh shoot, we forgot to do one edit on YouTube. I knew we forgot to do something. Legit. Okay, so I'm on this side now, and I'm a lot smaller. Let's see, the most hated says, I used to stream Call of Duty and Destiny back then. Yo, legit. That's what's up, Yeah, we stream Overwatch, because we're a tank. And then we're also stream our charts, because we're also investors as well. And they got other people that come through that's also investors. And it's getting ready for this huge bull market that's about to start. So yeah, and also we play a tank, we play Reinhardt. We only play tank. And we still got our bomb. We still cheers people, you know what I'm saying? Yo, cheers everybody, yo, cheers. Cheers. Do you want a bowl rip or you good?
No.
Okay, legit. Let's take a small one. Actually, I need water real quick, yeah, but it's all good. I think we played Overwatch together back then. Possibly. 'Cause I used to play Overwatch when I was a
Wait
tighter
a
chat too.
minute. Is he the same one?
Let's see. I remember, bro. I used to tune in, and yeah, I love that guy. Yeah, Reinhardt is pretty badass. So yeah, we're back on Reinhardt. So it's pretty good. It's pretty good. We're just aligning our. Did we get the, I think we're in plat 5. We got it to plat 5. Let's see. Oh no, we're in gold 1. We were in plat 4. We got to plat 3 last season. So we're gonna see if we can get back into plat. While we play Reinhardt. I gotta make sure my computer's aligned, that's all. Let me see how that is. Yo, what up, Scott Seymour? Yo, cheers, everybody. Yo, cheers. Yo, cheers. Yo, cheers, everybody. Cheers, beautiful. Yo, definitely cheers. Hoping y'all doing good. Dogecoin trying to push back up. That looks good. And I lost my lighter. Yep, lost my lighter. Well, we're somewhat having connection issues, but at the same time, it's somewhat stabilizing. So we'll see what happens. We'll see what. I don't know where my lighter rip. All right, one second. I gotta find the lighter. Also, I forgot to do the edit on YouTube side. They say, Scott Seymour says, my brother, how your night's going? It's pretty good. It's pretty badass. Night's going pretty good. Say, the most said, is you good on screen? Oh, okay, legit. No lag here? Okay, maybe it's just the settings that I put that it looks like it's lagging, but it's not really. Because I made it do like slower, but better quality. So let's see if that just it picks up better. This is Scott Seymour says, I'm sparking a joint right now. Time to game and smoke. Yo, facts. Facts, Scott Seymour over there in YouTube land. Hell yeah. Alright. I need to find my lighter. That's what I need to do. And then I'm gonna do the edit on YouTube side. One second, everybody. I'm gonna find that later. Okay, legit, I found my lighter. It was literally right next to me because I'm blind. It's all good. Let's see, Scott Seymour say, yo, cheers to the ghost as well. Hell yeah, cheers to the ghost. Stream is good on my end, brother. Okay, legit, then I guess it's just the settings then.
Did something happen?
Yeah, Scott Seymour says cheers to you. Cheers, he said cheers to the ghost as well. Hey, yo, cheers, everybody. Cheers.
The goose.
Yeah, the ghost. Hell yeah. Alright, we're gonna jump into some games and see how we do. Yeah, yesterday and the day before, we've been having crazy connection issues. It just kept dropping us like crazy. Let's see, the most edits that I'm gonna see you, brother. Gotta wake up early. It's 1 a.m. New York time. Alright, brother, you take it easy. Have a good one, man. Appreciate you stopping by. Bendiciones, mi hermano mía. Yo bendiciones también. Take it easy, brother. Have a good one. Hell yeah. Casimir says the ghost. Ooh, that's right. Make sure y'all stay hydrated. So I switched up the cam from I used to be on the right side, now I'm on the left side, a little bit smaller. Let's see if that helps out with the game and viewing and stuff like that. Let's see. So we'll see. So I guess it gives more area of a view of the game. I felt like I was blocking part of the game, being the camera on the right hand side. Oh yeah, I gotta do that. I gotta do that edit real quick, Chibas. Okay, give me 2 seconds, everybody, and then we're gonna jump into some games. Okay, legit. We finished the edit on YouTube side. Now we can go ahead and continue and do some games. And we're still gonna keep an eye on Dogecoin. Just in case anything happens, chat. Just in case anything happens. Dogecoin is at 14.02 right now. We have 2 hours and 19 minutes left of this 4-hour candle to close. So it still looks bullish, and if you still close around this area, well, then the next candle should push up and push up bullishly. Stock RSI is pointing up, so it is bullish. Stock RSI in the 4-hour is bullish. Let's see if it stays bullish. Alright, I just gotta make sure I adjust my camera because I just made my computer move forward. It feels weird on my eyes. Alright, give me 2 seconds. Just gotta make sure my computer's aligned real quick. Other than that. Maybe right there. Let me see. That feels a little bit better. Oh, that feels even a little bit. Yo, what up, Thought Signals? I swear to God, if Nezerath. I swear to God, if Nezerath. What is Nezerath? Yo, Dogecoin is pushing back up. What up? Yo, shout out to you, Thought Signals, brother. I'm trying to fix my computer. There we go. No, it still feels weird. Okay. Yo, I hope you're doing good, Thought Signals, brother. I hope you're doing good. Too. That feels a little more centered. I nearly pressed the sell button. Yo. Okay, so so you have to analyze yourself. Whenever you get that feeling, especially when we're at the bottoms, that means that's the bottom. I almost gave up, brother. Then you're gonna feel crazy when we actually climb, brother. Yeah, I'm telling you, like you're gonna experience some crazy things when we actually do move up. And your body and your emotions and your stomach your mind will all play with you, and you would have to make the educated decision for yourself. Let's see. Tausinos, I hope it goes up before my girlfriend's birthday in January. Oh yeah, it should. It should for sure. Before January, for sure. Yeah, I think so for sure. Oh, you know what's funny? My wife's birthday's in January, so happy birthday, happy early birthday to your girlfriend. And my wife, happy early birthday. He said, Tausinos says, I hope it goes up before my girlfriend's birthday in January. Yeah. And my wife's birthday's in January as well, so hell yeah. Happy early birthday. Hell yeah, happy early birthday to y'all. That'll be legit. That'll be legit. I think we're good now. How does the game look? Does it look like more I guess it just feels good, I guess. Slightly. It feels like I'm somewhat in control, not fully. Dalsino says, yeah, because I want to get her something nice. Well, good. That's always nice. Yeah. I'm gonna give something nice to my wife too. That'll be legit. I just still feel I shouldn't have gone. I shouldn't have done that. Because I still feel a little off, for sure. The alignment on my computer, that's all. Having this high of a DPI, like even like a little millimeter of if you bump your like laptop, if you're in a laptop, it'll change your whole alignment of your aim when you press. That's why I try to fix my alignment. You have to gauge it to make sure it's like this feels a little weird. But seems workable maybe? It just still feels weird. It's lagging when you did that. Did what? Oh, I see. I am buffering. My bad. Yeah. I can't do anything. Hopefully it doesn't disconnect. Like I said, if we start reconnecting, then I might just have to stop the stream. Because like it'll chop. And that sucks. So hopefully, like I said, they fixed the internet in the area. So we can stop chopping. Like we go back to green with no problem. I'm still trying to figure out my mouse just doesn't feel right. If I get disconnected, it's because I'm pulling my Ethernet cord. Still trying to fix my computer, my aim. Just doesn't feel right still. I fixed it. I feel centered now. Okay, I feel centered. Like, yeah, I feel more centered than I was earlier. Just my hands feel weird. That positioning feels weird. Like I'm forcing it instead of feeling naturally centered. And that's not good. It's like I'm forcing to be centered instead of naturally sitting centered. I'm sorry, I gotta make sure before I jump into a game because then I'm just upset. Might do this. I missed both my fire strikes. Okay, I'm gonna give it a try. I'm gonna jump into a account and give it a try. Alright, we'll see what we can do. Still feels weird, but we'll see. Alright, let's rock and roll. Let's give this a try.
Now traveling Kaiser. Arriving at Watchpoint Gibraltar.
I am pretty stoned.
Together then strike them down! Who's ready to have some fun? Hello!
We will be the lightning that rises the storm.
This should be fun.
Hello!
5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Attack commencing. Escort the payload.
Alright, let's rock and roll. That baby diva really thought you were gonna get back in the mech.
Keep you safe.
Helden sterben nicht.
Oh, that was dumb. I shot. I pushed the ball off. Oh my god, that was funny. And he died.
Position. Switching sides.
Oh my god, that was funny.
Prepare your defenses. Select your hero.
Oh man. Oh my god, that's crazy. Our Genji's complaining about their Moria. Moria keeps kicking his ass. Huh? No, their Moria is kicking our Genji's ass.
Nice stealing spaceship. You hear what they make satellites out of these days?
He's like, fuck off, Moria.
That's the whole point of them having
Yep, and the Moria said, and the Moria said crying about dying is crazy. The Moria said that crying about dying is crazy. Cause Genji's crying about dying. Yeah, cause Moria keeps kicking her ass. Crying about dying is crazy. Oh man. It's true. It's true. It's just funny. It's true. It's just funny. What the fuck is Devo? Shit, I fell. This is W Genji, because Genji keeps getting his ass kicked. Oh, the Moria switched. The Moria went Baptiste. Still kicking his ass. No way, dude.
Shall we do this together? My journey continues.
Kill the baby diva, dude. Kill her. Get out of here. Damn it, that don't work. What kind of nerf this was that? What the hell? Baptiste went back to Moria. Oh my god, that's funny. Oh shit, that hurt. Got that Moria bubble? Oh. Oh, they went Bastion. Of course they went Bastion. Shit! That was good. Mori died, hell yeah. Oh shit, I'm gonna die. That was dumb as hell. GG. Good luck, Nathan. Man, that was crazy. Even with the Bastion Ramatra. My team be badass. Oh, the cheese fight. I see something like fall down. What the hell? Oh, that's cool. That's cool as hell. See.
Oh! That's a freaking fly.
Yeah, I don't know what the hell that is. I don't know. It's like a bug. I don't know. It's a blind bug. Alright, gotta get it real quick. Sack. Hell yeah.
Only if our cats are inside.
Oh my god, for real.
Oh my gosh, they would have smacked the heck out of that.
For real. Alright, legit. Alright, so we are 5. No. I reset the record from yesterday. Alright, so we are 1-0. Yes, we are 1-0. Alright, legit. Alright, we're gonna stop the recording, but we're still gonna keep streaming. Alright, we're gonna keep it going. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and share. We'll see you on the next episode of Orion Horrors Madness. Yeah. Take it easy, buddy. Later. Okay, legit. Alright, 1 second. Alright, legit. Alright, we're gonna upload one video real quick and we jump into another one. 1 second, everybody. Alright. Good luck in y'all's games you gotta do in the games. Good luck, hell yeah. Alright, legit. Evie, hold on, guys. I'm gonna eat because I am hungry. All right, so we'll go back to the games in a minute. I'm gonna see if anybody's saying in the Cryptoverse. If anybody's saying anything. Okay, I have an outside. Let's see what I have an outside guy to say real quick. 1 second.
They have new integrations all the time, and it's also seen in the asset. it's super strong. It's super strong. It didn't dump that much in the bear market, and yeah, it recovered quite quickly, and now it's around the previous all-time highest levels. And so you see how stable it is, how nice and stable it is in terms of being here around the all-time high. So in terms of time spent around this 600 level is fantastic. Like in the last bull market, it was just a few days we were at around this levels. Now it's weeks and months and months and months and months. So BNB keeps pushing even after the CZ departing from Binance. Now, you have Norway, guys. Another country, Norway. I mean, ideally, you should catapult yourself out of there also, because they are super aggressive when it comes to taxes with the wealth tax. This children thing, it's not the reason they're doing it, because what they really want is digital ID to enforce age limits. They say it's because of the children, this and that, and then bam, wormhole top of these coins were burned. But then you will see something interesting. You scroll down, you see, so you can easily explore, and then you scroll down. He has another wallet, so this one is 0.89%. So supply, another sacrifice wallet. Then you have the hex origin address, and then you have this MEXC as well. So this is going to be very important from the perspective of like the top 10 addresses in each coin should be known. Because you enter a coin, like you should see on chain who the hell holds it. You have the base here, standard bridge, with the different blends and like the machines and all of that. But then also what I've experienced myself is that you go back to like instant coffee, because like this takes so much time, you know, loading up the machine. It's still good length, but I gotta go to the workout. I have workout now in the morning. Gotta pump some bicep. Well, actually, it's a bit of high rocks. All
right, so let's see if anybody else saying anything.
Let me see. I can show it to you like this. You see it? You don't see it. But anyway, then 200-meter run, 20 thrusters, 8 chin-ups or 16.
Spoonie. We eat with real spoons here. I'm going to give you a mid-cycle update for the day. We have $67,000 reclaimed by Bitcoin. It's done like this. 1990 is the dot-com era. What he thinks is basically happening is, you see this period here, how stocks just go up like that? Well, in this period, the final year of the tech boom goes poof, and then it's all over, okay? So what he thinks is happening is that. So if we go to today, come next is the Russell 2000, right, continues to be poopy. At some point, though, the S&P 500 does like that turn down, and in the reversal, we do something like that, and we just have this big blow, and then that's it, pretty much game over. So I want you to see this, okay? You think, oh, wait, man, that's a higher low. No. Look, like what you're doing is annihilation of sorts, okay? But it's after a big pump. So it would be a rotation out of big tech stuff, and it's like end of cycle. Okay, we're cheering for the green candles. So just got to help. Number is a 4.6. Okay, it's a 4.6x. Pulse Chain, for example, did a 2 multiplier on that earlier, but everyone thinks it's literally over forever. But then we have like something like that occurs. Members who tell you to sell crypto. Just telling you now, don't listen to them. They are poor for a reason. They don't know what the hell they're talking about. You are here 18 hours a day with me. We're the ones, you've sat through all this pain, you know, the money print. They have no idea, friends. They have no idea. Everyone, they all say the same things. They go, oh, well, you can't sleep in it like you can sleep in a house, okay? Because they're all long. Real estate is real, or come to the stock Ponzi. It's all the same stuff, okay? It's all run by the money printer. We know it, okay? You'll find out if you follow people like that. I know they're family member, we love them, but they don't know what the hell talking about. Okay, they just don't know. They don't know. And you'll find out why they're poor. Like, hey, if you're so smart, why haven't you retired yet? Okay, and by the way, also be careful about people who have retired. And then she went and just started chatting up another guy anyway, and they had to get divorced. Right? So they don't know anything. Okay, they know nothing. They know nothing. You know something. You're in here, and the industry still hasn't gone to zero. So there's something in here growing, and it's going to take a while, but it's going to crank. Now, I wanted to show you this cool series of ratio charts, friends. So I've got Hex chart here. I've got a Hex update, okay? Now, Hex, because of its little move up, okay, recently, you actually go back and check it. Because of this little move, okay, it made, it's kind of funny, it gave people some FOMO, okay? It gave people some FOMO, so I'm going to show you right into the court date. So they just saw 4 green weekly candles. It gave people some FOMO, all right? And what happened here, you instantly get, yeah, 30x is strong. If it goes down, PX is weak. So it, out of nowhere, just shot up through the high, okay? So people out here, they think, hey, that might have been an exogenous hand. Somebody tried to do that, but it doesn't matter who it was, because I've seen in markets, friends, I've seen big players try to force their will on a market. I've seen it happen, man, and I've seen it get rejected. Okay, I've seen, like, it happens to central banks. Okay, it can actually happen. If the market doesn't want to go somewhere, then it will fade off. Now, you don't know if it's going to fade off. You don't know. Okay, but I'm just helping prepare you. If it fades off, it doesn't mean anything's wrong, because I'm just helping you put a story to this puzzle as well. So you got to be careful of chasing tops of these rates. I get a better bang for a buck, that's all. So I've got another interesting chart, okay? E-Hex, P-Hex. Now, because there was this aggressive P-Hex rally, remember, this is E-Hex divided by P-Hex, so E-Hex is on top, yeah? So when this thing goes down, E-Hex is weak against P-Hex. So why did it go down? It's because P-Hex started rallying up, and no one was buying the E-Hex. Well, you had the BankX sell wall, right? So these things will ping around. They don't move one for one, but it's come back down to this ratio point of 0.15, which is very low. But even I have a box here, like, hey, if it goes back to 0.10 or below, that'll be like really, really good. You don't know if it's going to get there, though, because what we've actually seen is there are sharks in Hex, that's a wallet size. They've been selling E-Hex to buy P-Hex. Now, I saw there's a few people on Twitter, God bless your hearts, they're like, oh, that's a sign for me to follow them. Habib, let me put it to you. Just think about that. People who've been wrong for the past 36 months in a row with every single narrative saying Hex is going to run first, Hex is decorrelated, it's going to take over the industry, all of these stuff, you know what I mean? Like, all of these things, they just, look, I hope it does. It all happens, friends. We've got a strong call. Just telling you, their timing of all these things has been like you can't get lower points than that, right? I mean, look, you even, they're in the thing that you would have had more money if you just lost your money in FTX and just got it back. Okay, just FTX got to that low area, but it is low now. Yeah, it would be advantageous to just scoop it up, let all those people cheat out, let them keep cheating out and stuff, because that's what you want to do, man. You want to remove the ticker. You don't actually want to look at a ticker, or you don't actually want to look at anything. You look at a chart. And you're like, hey, does this look like it is low? When you do this, yes, your whole goal is to buy low. Now, doesn't mean sell P-Hex for this, but I'm just showing you, if you're going to participate in the ecosystem and some opportunity appears, that's one thing available to you. Instead of, say, because not everyone wants to touch a meme coin, but then you have ICOSA for you. So everything's along the risk curve, okay? Just whatever floats your boat. Now, this is where it gets even more interesting, right? So this is the PulseX divided by Hex ratio. This is PulseX over Hex, okay? So if this chart goes up, right? If it goes up, PulseX is strong against Hex. If it goes down, PulseX is weak against Hex. Now, why did it go down? It's because P-Hex just did a rally. PulseX didn't move, right? Now, when I'm looking at this, and they tried to smash P-Hex up to make it super strong against everything else, I feel like this zone, so that's actually it happening right now. I feel like, see that right arrow? That would happen. And I laid out my case why. Okay, and that's because, this is funny, God bless your hearts, friends. I don't make these ratios move the way they do, okay? So firstly, I'm not as big as a god hand anyway. I'm just telling you what people do naturally. What people naturally do is they buy newer coins compared to old ones. Naturally, that's what they do. Okay, so PulseX, cycle 1 coin, P-Hex, cycle 2. PulseX also has that buy and burn. P-Hex has the yield and the inflation coming out. So, by the way, that's not enough to just give you an answer on 2 coins. If that was as simple as that, you could make billions of dollars just trading on centralized exchanges based off those. It's not enough through. Okay, because that's what happens in markets. So what you'll find is there's always an ignition somewhere. It happened even in EOS. Okay, I'll show you this, right? This is like such a great example. Even in EOS, friends, if you go to EOS, okay, EOS USD, look at EOS back in 2021. So this is a weekly chart. So EOS, look at this. Okay, so Bitcoin had already hit 60K. So what everyone started doing was they just started smacking up. They started smacking up EOS. They just had to go. Why is that? Why do they do that? It's because they see everything else moved up. They go, okay, it's time for this. Let's see how far this goes. Let's see if there's any follow through. And then what happens is it just comes right back down. There is no follow through. Okay, but you got to think. Okay, let's go even to a daily chart because this is such a great example because everyone knows EOS is dead, but that's the beautiful part about it. Even EOS. So people had to go. They had a big go. But look what ends up happening. Okay, the next candle they fade off. There's actually nothing left. Okay, so this is just market mechanics. When a lot of things have gone, that's what people do. They'll thrash liquidity just to see if there's people who are gonna buy after them and just to like see if there's any ignition to follow the momentum. So if we look at PulseX versus PHEX, it might be the same thing here too. Okay. Now here's the thing: a lot of people still get confused. You got to remember, you're not actually trading a chart. It's just to show you a different picture. So if you own PulseX, you can't. A lot of people will say to me, "How do I go buy that chart?" Because okay, PulseX is low. I want to go buy. You don't know. If you own PulseX, you're already long that chart. Okay, PulseX can be charted against gold, against S&P 500, against a squeaky chair price, against Bitcoin, against PHEX. Okay, you can chart it against anything. That's all these ratios help you do. It just shows you any disconnect that's happened. At this line, PulseX flips PHEX. The market believes PulseX is a better store of value than PHEX. So that is just, it's just like to show you, hey, that's when the market caps are equated. Okay. Now it doesn't happen there. Like, yeah, look, I'll be honest. Origin Address has all the coins. Richard's got a big say in it. He could make the ratios move around, but it depends. It depends on the market, what it actually sees as value. Do people naturally want to go to one coin versus the other? Like, it's all going to sort itself out. But one thing we know is if you're fighting the market too much, there's eventually a slingshot that comes back. Still, after seeing all these, though, it's better to just have the core coins. That's it. You know, there's all these ratios, pulse, but I know it just gets everyone confused. You shouldn't even... What I noticed is no matter how stable a range was, even at the tops and bottoms, people had... I've noticed is... Like, you actually get to see it right now. If you look at this, friends. Down here, you saw people on chain. Down here, people aren't buying PulseX. They're selling PulseX. They're selling this chart. They're selling PulseX to go buy PHEX. They sold Inc to go buy PHEX. They sold Pulse to go buy PHEX. They started like doing these moves to do that. They sold EHEX. They're selling EHEX now to go buy PHEX. You know, so I was like, wow, you're following the red candles all over again. Silly me to think that it would be any different. So where does that leave us? Well, here is HEX. It's still got a 10x to 12.7 cents. That's the next target. We're still hoping they hit dollars, multiple dollars. We do. We hope they do. But this is the next nice number to reach. You got 5 cents here and then 12.7 cents, which is the launch. But yeah, like you got an Ethereum price. It's 2,500-ish. That's disgusting, friends. Like 2,500. Wow, that's just like we need Ethereum to have a 4 in front. A 4 or a 5. It's got a 2. He posts the whole video, just showing that the outrage marketing, so I guess, is still paying its dividends. They all still pay for it. So it would be funny, man, if Pulse Chain core coins are rallying, and there's just so many people who know. Oh, I know that guy. I saw it posted on TikTok. That's a guy. That'd be funny, man. It'd be like the longest type of the longest type of return on the investment ever. Now, for the whole ecosystem out there in crypto, we went through the altcoins. I showed you the Russell, where we are right now. It might be like just screwing around, up and down, up and down, up and down. But yeah, it is interesting. What do you think about BCB's his correlation to the 1999 stuff? I saw all the charts, but that's basically what's happening, because he goes, we've never had this type of economic environment for crypto ever before, because every single time the Russell was expanding, it was expanding by this point, right? It was like expanding means new highs. Basically means a new economic bull market is starting. That's what he's basically saying. Okay, we've never actually had that. He goes with the S&P 500 here. In this final period, you had Pets.com. You had Mark Cuban selling like his radio company or whatever for like $1 billion, whatever it was. You have all that extreme stuff back then, and that's a lot of money back then as well. You see, that's what we're getting at. They had all that extreme stuff. That's why a lot of people are confused now. They're like, wait, that's meme coins. Yeah, but Bitcoin's a meme coin, man. So it's not meme coins. So that's whatever comes, it's going to be more silly than what we have now. And you have the Pulse Chain ecosystem, friends. This is just the screenshots from the day. You have Kumamon, PPAP, and SolidX did some tiny moves here. I just want to show you Kumamon as well. So I made a tweet about it. I had a little bit, but you didn't have to buy me. Like, there's no dip. There's no like coming back. Like, that's your comeback. Okay, when the bull market starts in a bull market, they just keep going up. When they actually give you a dip, it's like over. So if you want to buy this area, no, it's because a bear market has started. Okay, that's pretty much what I'm getting at, and that's why. But everyone loves that, so I get scared about that. But 99% of people love that. Like, what? I can just keep buying, and it just keeps going up. Like, yeah, that's end of time. That's the end of the cycle times. Okay, so it's great to see all these still continuing to power on. Don't forget, man, I have made videos just even to show you, friends. A lot of people still think that's if you think that, just no precedence for them. But what I'm about to say, a lot of people still think that there's going to be a rush of money into Pulse Chain, the core coin, and everybody will be selling meme 2x. Yeah, that people go up, open up more pizza shops because people have more money for pizza. You see, that's Pulse. Pulse going up is like the government workers. That's because it's a city GDP. Pretty much just think about it like that, but the basic way for them to pay. Yeah, when that goes up, they spend more. No one ever says like, oh, okay, we've all made money. Let's go sit on our hands and do nothing. It's economy that gets spent out, But now it's funny, we're not buying goods and services. We are buying into memes, which is just community tickets. I wonder how that ends, friends. Don't forget, he loves you. Like, subscribe, belly button, or catch you next one.
All right, give me 1 second. Let's see if anybody else is saying. We're still eating. Are legit. Ooh.
The end of the year, you should have continuation from that point onward. So that is ETH. Some of the other ones that we had marked out and looked at, I'll probably need to, to bring up the Discord over here. So let's quickly have a look at that. Let's just put that back in. Let's have a look at the Discord. These were all the charts that we were previously looking at. I posted them ahead of time to give you all the various different buy levels. I think that most of these would have been hit. So you can see that was ETH. We're looking for it to move into that zone. Let's have a look at the next one. The next one was, we said anywhere around 39 cents. So let's go through the list. Let's see how the analysis played out. Anywhere around 39 cents. This one hasn't even come that low yet. Actually to that zone over there. Now you want to see this move ASAP, right? You do not want to see FET hang around this low region. If it does, there's a possibility it's going to break down and come all the way down to 1.05. Let's have a look at Render. Render also holding up, right? That is the trade, right? Essentially, entry over here, invalidation below. If you want the rest of them, they are going to be there. Remember, they are in the Discord already for those of you. Let's take some chart requests. Let's go into some of the coins that you guys are looking at. I'm going to quickly scroll through, drop them in the comment section over there, and I'll make sure to start to pull some of those up. So Tau, let's have a look at Tau. Tau, you're still holding up over there. It's kind of in no man's land price history over here. Let's just maybe redraw some of the key levels. I would focus more on this as the predominant trading range. We'll make that nice and big for you. There we go. Over there, that's going to be your range, some sort of a fit over here, with the parallels. Let's just see how this lines up. Let's extend this further. Do we have a pivot level over there? I guess maybe clutching on straws, but you could probably view it something like that. So let's just expand that a little bit. There we go. So you're looking at something like that. So possible resistance as you approach those highs over there. That's what you're going to be viewing. Okay, Brett. Yeah, Brett is one of the requests over there. Let's go to Brett. Meme coins. Where's our meme coins over here? All right, there we have it. Okay, Brett, started to look a little bit scary yesterday. Creating new swing lows. You definitely don't want to see that. I would have tossed. How did Aptos hold up given yesterday's recent drop? Okay, Aptos. Let's go to Aptos over there. All right, Aptos still holding up, right? So we did mark out a big fair value gap over here. So it shows its resilience and strength yesterday. The fact that it didn't come into the zone over here and doesn't have to come all the way down, just a little bit of a wick down into even the 950 would have been fair game for holding up and at least grabbing the liquidity from that fair value gap. As you can see, it didn't even get there. Price is defending this region. It's holding the pink box over here, and that's your prior range high, right? So that is for Aptos. Inverse head and shoulders, broke price up, held above there. You're flipping what was the measured move target. Actually scroll through very quickly. Let's just see. Okay, Apex, this is probably mass distribution, lack of liquidity. We had an absolute behemoth trade on this over the course of December last year. I was initially just targeting to the top of the range over here, and I didn't have a hard stop. So we pretty much traded it all the way to the top. I think when we started to see the distribution based on this move over here, that's where we started to exit. That was absolutely insane. That gave a risk to reward ratio of literally 100 to 1. Probably in terms of a leverage over here, there is a lack of interest for some reason right now in the DEXs. But, if you can flip this pink zone into support, possible deviation, expect that this will take time, right? These reaccumulations will take time. You're probably going to chop around something like that. And then maybe only sometime in 2025 will you see a move up towards the mid-range and then the range high. All right. Banana Gun. Yeah, let's have a look at Banana Gun. Banana was one of the coins that previously was doing well. So we did have it on our list. Let's have a look over here. How is Banana doing? Okay, still doing okay, right? It's breaking this trend line. We're just out on this as a trade. You're looking for something like that, and then you should see prices trend higher. And then the measured move still remains the same, right? Because it's respect for the big horizontal, and the breakout of that horizontal, whenever it comes, will take you to $92.85. So I have a small position in my portfolio for Banana Gun. I would say I'm estimating it's probably about like 0.25 to 0.5%. I'll maybe push that up to about 1% if we do come into the zone over here. Okay, Nia. Yeah, let's go to Nia. So all the way at the top over here, how's Nia doing? There it is. Okay, very, very, very close again. All right, let's see. Okay, Myro is still holding up. If you took the trade as per this, you would have essentially been stopped out. But high time frame stuff, you're still looking at this as a major high low. I'm holding spot over here, so I'm still in the trade. And you're looking at the breakout of the falling wedge formation, which came perfectly into key support. So much higher targets still intended over here. You're looking at 1653 as the first area of interest. And then your next major resistance is coming in at 28. So this is still a massive trade. This is just to give you a little bit perspective as a risk to reward, even if you were to enter over here and you're taking a spot trade, to the first target, flipping this region into support. This was the previous neckline that we wanted to break out of. So I think you're looking for, again, let's just clean some of this up over here. Let's see, this was the low time frame trade that we took previously. Let's clean this up over here so it's not too messy. What else do we have? Okay, so high time frame, I'd be viewing this. You got your lows, you broke out of the wedge over there, you got your high low, you pushed up a little bit higher, pretty much within this region over here, you're looking for support and then continuation. So especially if Bitcoin holds up, especially if Bitcoin has a strong November, expect continuation. Targets is going to be towards these levels over here. A lot of numbers, so I'm not going to read them. The potential for extreme price moves and parabolic advancement. So I'm happy to have this in my portfolio as one of the blue chips for the long term. It's one of the newer ones that we've added. Let's double check on PopCat, given the recent move and the health of the PopCat portfolio. Straight to new all-time highs, right? This is an aggressive trend line, which means eventually when it breaks, you are going to get a massive move towards the downside. But, as long as you establish your positions when we did, which was all the way down over here on November, health and safety for Casper comes into play if it can get above 14 cents over there. That's the key zone. That's what you're looking at. Before we go into any more of the altcoin requests, guys, I do also want to remind you that if you haven't already done Whale School, even if you have and you want to learn new alpha because we're updating your human, that's the only requirement. And then you should get full access to the whole course over there. So everything I teach and do within the shows is covered extensively in the course over there. Make sure you jump into Whale School. All right. Also, I wanted to look over here, Casper. We just looked at Casper, but Casper BTC ratio nearing the range low. So let's see if you can find a little bit of a reaction. You might come down one more time, but essentially looking for reaccumulation around the zone, confirming the deviation, and then you can trade it back towards the top side of the range over there. All right. Injective. Let's have a look at Injective. Okay, Injective. Still holding up, right? Putting in the high lows. You still need to break above the mid-range. This is where things will start to get going. If it can get above, no guarantee that you're going to get it, right? I'm going to continue to remain patient. I need a perfect entry. Otherwise, I'm just going to miss it and hold on to my other memes. But 220 is the area of interest. You know, let's see. Alternatively, if this starts to break above $2.85, then probably that was the low, and then you're going to continue up. Next targets then become 370, and then after that, you're looking at about 450 as the next target. All right, all right. What else? What else, guys? Drop them there. Beam. Yeah, we'll have a look at Beam. Okay, Beam USDT. Let's see. Okay, similar to the rest, right? Everything is just broken out of the falling wedge formations, coming into key support, high lows. You know, from when it comes to this sector over here, Beam is one of the better looking ones out there. So I would say you want to continue to maintain support above 0.016. That's the important area of interest. If you got in, you know, our links are below. I think we're going to end it over there. Let's have a short show today. It's 30 minutes. I'll catch all of you on the next one. I'll see the rest of you on Whale Room later on today. All the charts have been dropped in Whale Room for those of you already in there. Go and see if the levels have been hit. I'll see you all in the next one. Have a great day, everyone, and cheers for now.
All right, 1 second, everybody.